You know, in the title of our presentation, which was Just Breathe, it just reminds me of how resilience is so connected to the breath, whether it's a spiritual meditation practice or whether it's physically, we need to breathe in order to live, or even whether it's emotional and mental, that there are times when we must take a breath in the rhetorical sense in order to reconnect. Because I love that what Sang Hoon was talking about, the connectivity. Sometimes we've got to take a breath, take a break away from the stuff of the day, whether it's the social media or whether it's the protests or whether it's the gaming or what have you for our young people, and just take a breath and reconnect. So it really fits in, I think, your question with what we're trying to promote locally and nationally.
Yeah, and in our presentation, we also did a short time of the mindfulness exercise, and I did actually breathing in together. And
Mhm.
I always say this is a breathing is how we do this: breathe in, breathe out, inhale, and exhale.
Mhm.
And a lot of times, we just focus on exhale. What I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna help you, what I'm gonna accomplish. Just going out, out, out.
Yeah.
But the breathing shows both sides. We need to receive, and also we need to give away. And a lot of times we are very poor in doing that. So when we need to understand the connectivity comes with the mutuality. So we need to mutually give and take. It's not just one-sided. So I think that gives a lot of lessons, especially young people now. Our young people, I want to do something, I want to do something, but also I need to be nurtured. I need to receive grace. I need to receive, some kind of very nurturing and caring. It's many a times we think, oh yeah, I don't need it. I'm fine. I'm fine. Well, we need air in our organs, and likewise we need a breathing, spiritual inhale and social mental inhale, and we need a lot about the holistic inhale to be balanced and then to really also connect to very balanced and healthy way. So the breathing it's really give us a lot of lessons actually.
Yeah. I want to
Thank you.
just add to that because I think one of the most important aspects of the breath from a perspective of working with young people is to really get them to understand that the first creative act that God did with humans was to breathe upon them. And if we don't get that breath, we are disconnected
Mm,
from so much of the source of what we need to be able to move forward.
mm,
And so I want to thank Sang Hoon for speaking about that because that's, I think, what's happening. And when we talk about just breathe, we could have said just inspire, just breathe in, you
yeah.
know, that's really what we're talking about.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.